Hello mga ka-reels, kumusta? So nangita ba kag rent-to-own na condo sa Cebu City? Aduna tayo Urban Dica Homes Banilad. So this is the most affordable na 2-bedroom sa Cebu City. So ang iyang floor area is 30 square meter. So unsaon ni pag-abil ang puyo dayon rent-to-own? So kinahanglan nanta mo bayad og 10,000 reservation fee and then 10,000 as 1 month equity. So nahug nga 20,000 ra ang atong cash out, and after ana makapuyo na dayon ta, and pwede na nimo i-Airbnb or parentahan. So this is a good investment. So 20 ang cash out, after that ato na ni direct to Pag-ibig. So pilang estimated monthly amortization sa Pag-ibig? 20,000. So ang iyang what we call GMI or the gross monthly income for the client nga required is 57,000. So 20 ang imong monthly amortization, 57 ang gross monthly income. Pwede ra i-combine ninyo kung nakay ko borrowers. And take note, good news, we have a buyer's day on August 19. So we have previous nga ihatag gikan sa developer, and also initial requirements is one valid ID, initial proof of income, and then your 10,000 reservation fee. So that is on August 19. So mga ka-reels, invest now, nindot kaayo ni siya location wise. Dagang salamat.